start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear students of class 6, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome you in virtual learning system of PIS Taif. Dear students, I hope you are doing well and you are doing hard with your studies. And hard working always opens the success, the doors of the success. So, inshallah, if you are working hard, you will win your future. So, dear students, let's start our today's lesson. Today we have English lecture number 33, dear students, and it is about grade 6, lesson 20, the jackal and the partridge. Dear students, definitely as you are well aware, and if you recall your memory, it's about yesterday that we started the lesson, and we half lesson we have completed and half is left. So the half lesson which we left, we will complete today. So today's lesson is a story from Pakistan and page number from 104 to 109. But you keep in your mind that we completed on page number 106. So today we will start from page number 106, 106, and we will complete it 109. And here is your teacher, Sarfaz Nadeem. So, dear students, definitely let's start because reading is done. So, and also we have completed our exercise comprehension and vocabulary exercise A, B. So, let's start the lesson. This is lesson 20, The Jackal and the Partridge, a story from Pakistan. You're well aware, we have read this lesson. The page number 104, page 105 exercise done. And this exercise, you remember, all we have done. So we will now start from our page number 106. And this is the, here you can see oral exercises. What we have? Oral exercise. Now, dear students, we have tables, table 1, table 2, and table 3 is over on page number 107. Let's see what is there in these tables. Read all the sentences in table 1. What we have to do? We have to read, or let's start to read. This one is big, that one. It is strong as the others. Number one, this one is big as that one. It is as strong as the others. Mine is as good as yours. These are as weak as John's. Those are as small as any of the others, and all of them are as heavy as theirs. Now, dear students, see the 6 boxes are here in table 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 boxes are there. In the first box, there is a subject. This one, it, mine, these. So 2 is helping verb. Is going to we are word which is going to comparison. Is, now here we have the adjective: big, strong, good, weak, and then again is, and that one object means this one is as big as that one, or it is as strong as the others. Okay, adding not after is are and are. This one is not as big as. You can add not. This one is not as big as the others. It is not as strong as the others. Now this is first table is positive. When we will add not, it is negative. Means first we say this one is as big as that one, and when we will add not, we will say this one is not as big as that one. So first they are both are equal. They have the equal level. But when we are going to add not, that means they are not in equal level. Okay. Then we have table 2. Make as many sentences you can using table 2. Now what we have in table 2, this one is better than his. Now better. The where we are, when we are going to use comparison between two things, dear students, we use the second adjective of degree. We have like when we say adjectives like good, better, best, three comparisons. So when we say it is good, we say first. Then we say better, it's second form of degree. And third, the last one, the best one. So this one is better than his. It is slower than hers. Yours is easier than any I have seen. So three kind of comparative, first positive, comparative, and superlative. Three forms of adjective. Adjective is three forms like positive means good. Comparative means when we are going to compare, like here in this table 2, this one is better than this, means we are going to compare. So we use second degree over here, comparative. And the third one is superlative, which we say it is the best. It is the best one. So dear students, here in table 2 is comparative degree is used. In the first table, there is a uh, positive degree, big, strong, good, like this. They are easier than any I have seen. They are quicker, all the rest. They are bright, dirtier than most. So, dear students, here in table 2, you learn that we have an adjective. An adjective is a word which describes noun and a pronoun, or which tells about the noun or pronoun. Like, uh, this car is beautiful. So noun is car and beautiful is an adjective. So there is the degrees of an adjective, positive, comparative, and superlative, which tells that how much one is better than. So positive degree is always used in informative sentence, in uh, uh, simple sentence like this is a very good car, this is beautiful car, huh? Like this. But when we compare between one and other car, then you say my car is better than yours car. My car is better than yours. Mine is better than yours. So we use better. Okay. So like, but when we say superlative, means best among whatever you have. Means Ahmed is best student among the class or school, you usually say. So best when we'll compare means with more than the one. But in comparison, when we two equal level of things are compared by anyone, two students, you say Ahmed is better than Ali, but we will say when we will compare with many students, we say Ahmed is best among all the students of class 6 or of the school as well. So hope so understood, dear students, you understood the things. Let's move to page number 107. Here we have page number 107, table 3. He is more talkative than you. He is more interesting than the others. He is more careful than the captain of the school. They are less sensible than most people, and they are less reliable than anyone I know. Now, dear student, read the sentence in table 3 for using more than less. Now, what we have used over here, more and less. More and less. He is more talkative. He is less talkative. Now, what the word is used? More and less. Now, what is the exercise G? Make as many sentences as you can using these words before more and less. Much, a lot, a good deal. So these words we have to use over here. For example, he is much more careful than you. They are a lot more sensible than most people. Repeat F using your own words in column 3 and 4. Now, column number 3 and 4, look here, column 3 and 4, we have you repeat F using your own. Now, F means table 3, using more and less. So, these are the words. Now, we have exercise in written exercise. Let's see what is next exercise. Dear students, you can see over here, we have a written exercise. Yes, it is given over here. Fill in the blank spaces. Quick, number 1. Quick, quicker, quickest. Now, dear students, these are the adjectives, and then there is the degrees. As I told you in the last, positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. So, quick, quicker, quickest, slow, dash, and slowest. So, what will be here? You have to help me over here. Slow, and what will be here? Slower. Very easy. Look. Slower, yes, and slowest. Slow, slower, slow. So we have to fill the blanks. Number 3, fast, faster, and what will be here? Fastest. Very easy. Fast, faster, fastest. Number 4, late. Number 4, late. Now, late, what will be here? Number 2 and number 3 you have to. Number 1 is late. Now it is positive. Comparative will be what? Later. And latest. Sometimes you say the latest. So late, later, latest. Number 5, big, dash, biggest. So what will be the comparative? Bigger. Big, bigger, biggest. Number 6, wait, wetter. And what will be here in number 6, dear students? Yes, wettest. What we have? Wettest. And then we have number 7, gray, dash, grayest. So what will be here after gray? Then what is the positive? Grayer. Yes. Grayer, grayest. Number 8, dry, drier. So what will be here? Driest. Very easy, dear students. You can try it with me. Number 9, tiny and tiniest. So what will be here in comparative? Tinier, tiner. Yes. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Number 10, dirty. So we have to put both positive, comparative and superlative. So what is the comparative form of the dirty? Yes, dirtier. Well done, well done. Dirtier, and the last, yes, dirtiest. Here it is. Dirtiest, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Number 11, polite, politer, and very easy, politest. Very good. Then we have number 12, kind and dash and kindest. So what will be kind? Kinder, kinder, kindest. And number 13, merry. So what will be here? Merrier. Okay. And merriest. Merriest here we have. Number 14, sunny, sunnier, and sunniest. Sunniest. Good. Number 15, pleasant, pleasanter, and what will be pleasantest? Where Pleasantest. Pleasantest. Pleasanter, pleasantest. And number 16, shallow and shallower and shallowest. So dear student, 16 fill in the 16 blanks are filled by me. The remaining is your work at home to do. Like what will be here about 17, humble, dash, humblest, clever, cleverer, dash, beautiful, more beautiful, and now dear student, few adjectives are used like more and most. Okay, like helpful, more helpful, and most helpful, like this. Intelligent, more intelligent, like this. So I'm going to write here, this is your homework at home. Complete all these sentences. Are you, in other words, you fill these blanks and send to me through WhatsApp, and I will check and I will let you know how many are correct. Good. So now, dear students, we have exercise number B here, and it is write one sentence for each pair of sentences. Again, write one sentence for each pair of sentences. Number 1, Nasser is 5 feet 6 inches tall. Okay. Number 2 sentence, Rana is 5 feet tall. Now, dear students, we have two sentences. Number one, Nasir is 5 feet 6 inches tall, and Rana is 5 feet tall. What we have to do? We have to merge them. We have to merge them and we have to make one sentence. So how will you? Nasir is taller than Rana. Means Nasir is 5 feet 6 and Rana is 5. So who is bigger? Who is taller? Definitely Nasir, because Nasir is 5 feet 6 inches and Rana is only 5 feet. So it means that Nasir is taller than Rana. So we will write Nasir is taller than Rana, and taller is comparative degree, and second degree, in other words, of adjective taller, because here we are comparing between Nasir and Rana. So who is taller? We say Nasir is taller than Rana. Number two, Nasir is 5 feet tall, Rana is 5 feet tall. Now both are the same. Look again. Nasir is 5 feet tall, Rana is 5 feet tall. Means both are 5 feet tall. So means no one is taller, both are equal. So if they both are equal, how we will write? Nasir is as tall as Rana. Nasir is as tall as Rana. Okay. Number three, my pen is 15 centimeters long. Yours is 12 centimeters long. So how will you write over here, dear students? My pen is, yes, 15 centimeters long. Yours is 12 centimeters long. So how will you write it? Yes, here we will write my pen, yes, is longer than yours. My pen is longer than yours. Why? Because my pen is 15 centimeters and yours is 12. So whose pen is longer? My pen. Number four, this lamp is brighter. That lamp is not so bright. So how will you write it, dear students? Number four, this, yes, this lamp is brighter than, brighter that, than that. We will just write that. Okay. This lamp is brighter, that lamp is not so bright. So we'll say this lamp is brighter than that. If you say that lamp, no issue. So, dear students, here this is exercise B. We have more sentence on page number 107. Let's move to page number 108. Yes, dear students, we are on page number 108. 108. So, number 5 is Habiba's knife is very sharp. Peter's knife is very sharp too. Now, both are sharp. Habiba's knife is very sharp and Peter's knife is very sharp. Both are very sharp. So what we will write here? We will arrange them in one sentence. What we will write? Yes, Habiba's Habiba's knife is as sharp as Peter's. Understand or not, dear students? Because both are equal, so we will use as. As. Number 6. My book is interesting. Your book is very interesting. My book is interesting. Your book is very interesting. So what we'll say? My book is, yes, less interesting. Very good. Less interesting than yours. Good students. So I think you are getting, you are understanding everything. My book is interesting. Your book is very interesting. Both sentences. So we will make one sentence, merge them. So we say, my book is less interesting than yours. Number 8, my book has 200 pages. Your book has 200 pages. Means both have 200. So what we will write over here? Yes, my book has, my book has good as many pages as yours. Means both have the equal pages. Both have the equal pages, 200, 200. So my book has as many pages as yours. Number 8, I weigh 50 kilograms. My sister weighs 50 kilograms. So I weigh, So here what we will say, both are the 50. So what we will write? I weigh as much as my sister. As my sister, dear students. So both are equal. So we will write, there is no any different. Number 9. The car is fast, the aeroplane is faster. Yes. So we will say the car is less less fast than the aeroplane. Very good. Very good, dear students. So here we are, dear students, we are doing that the aeroplane is faster. So we said the car is less fast than the aeroplane. And the last, my mother is 45. So is my father. So is my father. So very easy. My mother, yes, is old. Very good. Is my father, because both have the same age. So they are both equal. So is my mother is 45. So my father is. So we will say my mother is as old as my father. Got it, dear students? The exercise, this exercise about B, about written exercise. So 10 sentences are done by me. We have exercise C as well. Let's see what is in exercise number C. Yes, dear students, we are on exercise number C. Write one sentence with the same meaning as each of these. Now we have number sentence 1. She is less intelligent than her sister. So she is not so intelligent as her sister. Okay. A car is not so dangerous as an aeroplane. A car is less dangerous than an aeroplane. Number 3, he is less helpful than his father. So very easy. So how will you write, dear students? Number, yes, number 3, he is less helpful. Yes, less helpful. So we say he is, yes, not is, yes, is helpful. Yes, is his father. Good, dear students. Very easy. I think you people are getting. Now he is less helpful than his father. We say he is not as helpful as his father. Number 4, Australia is not as populated as Pakistan. So we will say Australia is less, yes, populated than Pakistan. Than Pakistan. Because there, when we have used as, so we will use less. Okay. And when we have a use less, so we will use not so as like this. Number 5, some dogs are less friendly than others. Some dogs are less friendly than others. So we will write here, yes, some dogs are not, we say not as friendly as others. Some dogs are not as friendly as others. Dear students, understand? Number 6, she is not as happy as her sister. She is not as happy. Yes, she is not as happy as her sister. So how will you write? She is, yes, she is less happy. Very good. She is less happy than her sister. Very good, dear students. Very good. So now here we as students, we have completed the 6 sentences I have done with you. Now only 4 sentences your homework. How many, dear students? Just 4. Where from? From 7 to 10. From 7 to 10. Here. This is your homework. 7 to 10. So, dear students, exercise C was just to write use of is or less. So, we have now the last exercise, useful words and phrases on page number 109. Let's move to page number 109. Dear students, we are on page number 109 and we have useful words and phrases. So, the word is on, O-N. So you know very well what is the meaning of the word on, but we use this word with different ways on different occasions with different styles. So what in which way we are using this on, because it has different meanings. When we will use it with different ways, it has different meanings. Number one, the bottle was on the table. Very easy, everyone is understanding. The bottle is on the table means. Number, we have PE on Tuesday and Thursdays. We have PE on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Number three, I'm going to see him on Saturday. He arrived on the 1st of March. He tried to put the blame on me. I am going on a long journey. Was it an accident or did he do it on purpose? And don't stop, go on, please. Here, go on means continue. So the on is the word on is used with different ways in 8 sentences. Now we have exercise, we have to use the on with different ways. Finish these sentences using on. Put the ruler. So what we will say, I'll help you to do. Put the ruler, yes, on the desk. Very good. And come here. And come here. We are going to write like this. Put the ruler on the desk and come here. Number two, we don't go to school. We don't go to school on, yes, on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. Or you can write, we don't go to school on Fridays and Saturdays. Number three, my birthday is on which date? 20th December, or any date you can add over here. What is your date of birth? You can add over. Okay. So we say my birthday is on 20th December. Number four, they left home. They left home on the 1st of, yes, on the 1st of April. You can write. Okay. And number five, please don't put the blame. Please don't put the blame on Hassan. You can name of any friend. Okay. Hassan, he was. Please don't put the blame on Hassan. He was, yes, very good. He was with me all the time. All the time. So please don't put the blame on Hassan. He was with me all the time. Number six, I saw you break the window. You did it. I saw you break the window. You did it on purpose. On purpose. Number seven, we have science lessons on, we have science lessons on Monday. You can write Mondays, yes, and Wednesdays. Mondays and Wednesdays. Okay. So you can write like this, dear students. So we have science lessons on uh, any day, Tuesdays, on right, Sundays. Okay. Number eight, Rihanna was ahead of all the other runners. Everyone shouted, go on. We will write here on. Okay. Go on. Okay. Go on. Rihanna, you can write our name as well, or any name, like Rihanna was ahead of all the other runners. Everyone shouted, go on Rihanna. Here we say Rihanna. Okay. Go on Rihanna. Go on. So here again, on. So I think this is very easy. We have done this exercise, useful words and phrases. So hope so you understood, dear students. And let's see what is homework of today's lecture. Dear students, we are at the homework. We have homework about written exercises. Exercise A, fill in the spaces from sentence number 21 to 30. If you will recall your memory, it's page on 107. Another exercise C, write one sentence with the same meaning as each of these from sentence 7 to 10, like she is less intelligent than her sister, she is not so intelligent as her sister. So this is very simple homework, dear students, to you. Just send it to me, complete your homework and send it to me. Dear students, today's lecture, as I told you, was a half lecture about the lesson number 20. And the name of the lesson 20, The Jackal and the Partridge, a story from Pakistan. Half lesson we have completed in lesson number, lecture number 30. Uh, 2, and this is remaining lecture. So you can, so dear students, we are on lecture number 33. Is half lecture is in this and half we have done in 32. So now today we have completed the lesson 20, and we read the story, and then we have completed the exercise comprehension, vocabulary, oral exercises, written exercises, and useful words and phrases. So let's see what we have in next lecture. The next lecture is about, dear students, chapter 12, 8 verbs, and this is book New Brighter Grammar. In other words, you can call it as English B. So we have this, and we will learn on page number 27 to 29 and the coming lecture. So stay with us and see you in next lecture. This is all about, dear students, today's lecture, and hope so you have understood the things. And if you have any confusion, any query, any issue, any problem, you can ask me on Zoom just after this. I'm online, and you can ask any question if you have any problem regarding the today's lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.